What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Cardiar Fresh from CardiarFreshTV, and today we are doing another video about credit. This time we'll be discussing lines of credit and pretty much what it is, how they work, and who all you can get it from that don't check your credit. But we ain't just worried about that. We worried about the amount because it's all about them Benjis, baby. I'm giving you over $40,000 worth of lines of credit. I know I said 30 on the thumbnail, but there's a bonus that gives it a little bit more to put it over 40. So stay tuned and we'll discuss more about what lines of credit you can get and apply for that won't check your credit. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, share, leave any comments if you got any questions about anything that I'm about to discuss. And if you already been subscribed, thank you for coming back. Appreciate you guys, fresh game. We holding strong, man. Let's get these numbers up some more. You know what I mean? I'm coming back and I'm dropping more educational things. I will get back into the entertainment soon, but right now I really want to educate the people. So just hang in there. Hang in there. I got you guys though. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video about lines of credit. All right, guys. So now let's talk about what a line of credit is. So a line of credit is a flexible loan from a financial institution that consists of a defined amount of money that you can have access to as needed and repay either immediately or over time. So give you a little bit more, interest is charged on that line of credit as soon as money is borrowed. So as soon as you start borrowing money, they're going to charge you interest on it, all right? So just keep that in mind. And lines of credit are most often used to cover as the gaps in irregular monthly incomes or financial projects whose cannot be predicted upfront. So basically, it helps you pay for stuff upfront that you don't have the money for and allows you to take care of it over a course of time. So now that we know what a line of credit is, we're going to discuss how a line of credit works. So a line of credit has a built-in flexibility, which is its main advantage. Unlike a closed-end credit account, a line of credit is an open-end credit account which allows borrowers to spend the money, repay it, and spend it again in a never-ending cycle. So basically, you can borrow, spend, borrow, spend, borrow, spend. Closing accounts will be like installment accounts. Once you borrow that money, you pay it off, boom, that's it. You got to reapply and all of that stuff. It don't just keep going over and over. With a line of credit, it does. But while a credit line's main advantage is flexibility, potential downsides include high interest rates, severe penalties for late payments, and potential to overspend. So you don't want to be late with your payments, okay? Don't be late with your payments when you're using a line of credit because the penalties, you don't want to do that. So now you know what a line of credit is, you know how it works. Now the question is, who can you get it from? So we're gonna go ahead and discuss that next. Okay guys, so next we're gonna talk about who all you can get a line of credit from. So first things first, you can get a line of credit from almost anybody. I mean your bank, Cons or Macy's, lines of credits are available from a lot of places, The only thing about it is a lot of those places check your credit. And y'all know my slogan. We don't want to be doing no credit checks. We ain't trying to have nothing that's going to take. We want to add and give to it. We don't want to take from it. So that's why you don't really see people advertising that. We're going to discuss the ones that actually do no credit checks. That's what we want. The ones that do no credit checks. So first one we're going to talk about is going to be the one that a lot of people speak on, which is AG Jewelers, Attractive Gem Jewelers. And basically with these guys, they're a jewelry company. You can go purchase some jewelry. And how it works is you apply for the membership and the membership here. So pretty much how this works is with Attractive Gem Jewelers, you'll receive a $10,000 revolving credit line. And it has a one-time membership fee of $149.99 and an annual maintenance fee of $99. So basically, you pay once a year $99.99. and you pay one time $149.99, and basically that allows you to have this credit line. Now, when you have this credit line, though, here's the thing: you're able to make purchases on it and stuff like that, you know, and purchase things like jewelry on there, watches, and so on and so forth. And you make your payments and things of that nature, just like you already heard before, you know, buy something, pay it, so on and so forth until it's paid off, and then you get the money back. Now, with these guys here, you can cancel at any time, you know, there is no cancellation fee, you know, so that is great. You don't want to be getting penalized if you cancel your account or anything of that nature, because that's definitely horrible. They don't check your credit, and it takes between 15 to 45 days from the day you become a member for that line of credit to be activated. So don't think just as soon as you purchase it, no, it takes a second. So just be patient, okay? That's the main thing. You got to be patient. So now, if you're like, well, what if I actually want to buy something with these guys? Well, if you decide you want to use the line of credit to purchase jewelry from our website, or their retail locations, you have to put down 20% of the payment, and within 24 months of 0% financing for the remaining balance. So basically, whatever you decide to purchase, you got to put 20% down. And then for 24 months, you have no interest rate on that. You just make payments. Now, let's just say your minimum monthly payments will be 5% or $30, whichever is greater, unless your account balance is less than $30, in which the minimum monthly payment will be equal to the account balance. So, and it comes with free shipping. So that's one of the guys that we can go to if we're trying to get a line of credit. And of course, 10,000 is pretty good. You know what I mean? So let's go to the next guys. We're going to go ahead and stick with the jewelry people. You mean, why not? You know, these guys here, Get That Jewelry, another jewelry company that's pretty much does a similar thing. Let's see. So you can see some of the jewelry on here that you can purchase, things of that nature. So these guys here, they give you a line of credit that's quite a bit more than the other guys. So with these guys, it's the same thing, but instead of paying a maintenance fee of $99 once a year, with these guys, you're paying a monthly service charge, which is $19.99 a month. And the one-time account insurance and account validation fee is $199.99. So they're a little bit more expensive with Get That Jewelry, and you got to pay monthly. But think about it, it still works out for you because you get actually more of a line of credit with these guys. So the initial term of line of credit should be $15,000. So $15,000 for a line of credit, you know, paying basically $200 one time and $20 a month. I mean, it's not bad, you know, and you can pretty much purchase your items and stuff like that. And with these guys, they actually, you know, do refunds. So if your product purchase may be returned within 30 days of purchase for 100% refund. Now, if it's been worn, whatever the case may be, shown any type of thing, restock fee will be up to 50% or deemed non-refundable or non-returnable, my bad. And let's see, you know, you pay your monthly payment on the item it is, which you pay either 10% of the highest monthly balance, which, you know, whichever one is greater, you know. So what else we got with these? Pretty much nothing in particular. Of course, they have the same similar situation. You can cancel at any time without having your credit being affected, you know. Of course, you know, they report to the bureaus just like the other guys. Let's see. Boom. So let's Get That Jewelry. Now, so last but not least, we're going to talk ShopSimplio. So these guys here, they're actually like into technology and stuff like that. So you can get like watches like Fitbits or little accessories for your camera phone, or, you know, actual cameras themselves, drones, like all kinds of stuff, you know, they give you. So how these guys work, pretty much, they're almost the same, just a tad bit different. So what makes them different is you have to validate and show that you make at least $1,400 a month in your like income. Like the other guys, they don't. That's not a requirement. These guys is a requirement, which is kind of weird. But then again, it's like, okay, I get it, you know. And then you got to purchase the membership. So the membership purchase is actually $69.99. That's it. You purchase that yearly membership. Boom. But you get that. Of course, you got to be 18 years or older. You know, Social Security, U.S. citizen, bad, good, don't matter. You cool, and boom. So now, how does it work? First, you pay your membership fee and become a member. Afterwards, you'll go and shop for any of the items. You make 2 easy payments of, example, $35, whatever the payment amount is, based on the product you're getting. When it's added to the shopping cart, it'll show the same monthly amount, minus any coupons you may have, blah, 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 and your next payment date, blah, blah, blah. The day you pay to purchase the item, you are paying your first installment, and your second installment is due within 30 days. So basically, you make 2 installment payments on whatever the item is that you're purchasing, and those are what they're using to report to the bureaus that you know, with your line of credit. So you're like, well, how much do you get with these guys when it comes to line of credit? Now, with these guys, you get up to $8,500 and unsecured revolving credits within 72 hours, which is the cool part because they get it to you a lot faster than the other guys. So basically, that's the pro, but you know, of course, it comes with some cons and so forth. So now, you know, we got ShopSimplio, we got Get That Jewelry, we got AG Jewelers. So those are places that you can actually go to and get lines of credit and stuff like that. Now, as an added on bonus, I got something else for you. There's this one place that I'm pretty much just now getting in tune to. It's called netcredit.com. Now, netcredit.com, you can get a line of credit too. Now, with these guys, they don't check your credit also. That's why I brought them up. So these guys, basically what they do is they check your spending, your amount that you have in your bank and so forth. And they based on, you know, they base it off your transaction history and what you spent and how much you bringing in, you know, how much you know, deposit wise, so on and so forth. And then they kind of say, oh, okay, you can afford to have a line of credit of blah, blah, blah because of this here. And you'll be able to afford this amount of payments and so forth. But that's not the only thing they offer. They also offer personal loans as well. And these are up to $10,000, and I believe the lines of credit are up to, let's see, $4,500. So the lines of credit is up to $4,500, which is like, but it's not bad. But the personal loans are up to $10,000. So knowing that you can get that, that's dope. And of course, all you gotta do is click check eligibility. It does not affect your credit. So again, that's an extra bonus. Not a lot of people are talking about netcredit.com. I don't know why, but if you're watching this video, if I was you, I will hop on it ASAP before they get more strict, because really don't that many people know about them. It's a great place to go and check and see. Like, you can get a loan, especially right now. So why not? You know, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know, if you haven't, subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share this video, comment, you know, any things that you think I can talk about that might be useful, or if you have any questions about anything that I discussed you know, in today's video, hit me up in the comments and let me know. Of course, you know my slogan, I got the recipe, baby. Now let's cook. Peace.